What's up, guys? This is off. Every single time I die, I watch this guy and he has like an amazing life.
Wow.
Like, you won't believe it. He's under parole. Watch this.
No.
Look at that. Oh my god. He's gonna become famous. If y'all just saw that and you are one. I said, voy todo el mapa. Veo todo el mapa. He's looking at the entire map. Look at this. What the hell? What the hell? How did he do it?
Whoa.
He's literally gonna become famous once I put him on YouTube. Bruh. Like, literally, really, nigga? Look at this. What? He just joined. He just joined tourists. So,
Oh man.
what an idiot. He would have became famous. Stop.
Hey.
Next up. The minute I looked at his screen,
Shush.
I was like, what the fuck?
Shush.
Like, I was surprised what I was looking.
No, no, no.
I mean, like, really? How was that even possible? Like, oh my god. I have never seen anyone
Wait.
do it. Like, what?
Whoa.
Oh my
Wait.
god. I'm gonna. Oh my god, bro. He's gonna become famous. Everyone's gonna love that. Bruh. Everyone is gonna love that. Literally.
Oh man. Let him go. Whoa. Bye-bye. Hey! Oh, man.
But he. Oh my god.
Woos.
Watch him be famous.
Ah!
Uh-huh.
Really
Really need
ah.
it. Really need it. Really need it. Haha, that body. Bruh. He's the one that killed me.
Bushy. Whoa.
He didn't even hit me. Really? Bruh. Oh my god. Turn of ass. Shotgun dude. Hey, I thought I was a shotgun. Bruh. I think I missed him. No. Watch me start killing niggas with this baby. Oh hell no. I hate one slip. Really need it. Really need it. No wonder no one has spawned over there. Cause I'm here over there. Everybody be like, hell no. I just jumped and literally hit me. I'm like, hell no. I just killed him. Sniper it is. No yarn.
Oh.
What the?
Mm,
Did you see where that guy came?
mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Whoa. Joke. No joke. Baba.
No! I'm so close to having him. Dad. Oh my god. No, don't.